How to unsubscribe from promotion emails in Gmail app. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy and simple. First of all, we will open Gmail app. If you don't have it in your phone, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. So I will simply open Gmail. After that, you guys will simply click on top right corner three lines. Here you guys will see all inbox is primary promotion. So simply we will click on promotions. After that you guys will see all the messages that are related to promotions and you want to get rid of it, like you want to unsubscribe subscribe it. So for that I will simply click on that one email that I want to unsubscribe from it. You guys can do for multiple. After that you will see on top right corner three dots. So simply click on three dots. Here you guys will see end report spam. So simply click on report spam. After that it will say unsubscribe report spam. Also it says Gmail can unsubscribe you from the sender. So simply click on unsubscribe. Once you unsubscribe, there will be no promotion messages you will receive from that person. That's how you can fix that. Thanks for watching.